Legos are a much beloved toy and are proven to be a better investment than gold. You can't really improve on Legos, right? Hey there, it's Keri Lumm with Buzz60, and one company on Etsy thinks it can make the Lego experience even better. Funky 3D Faces obviously has a 3D printer and can now create customizable Lego faces in your likeness. It's like a selfie you can hold. I bet Kim Kardashian already has 10. The heads are not endorsed by Lego, but Lego lovers will enjoy the chance to become their favorite toy. All those times you just pretended to be a Star Wars character could become a reality. Plus, if you're planning to get married at Comic-Con this year and want your cake to match your cosplay, you can order this Lego wedding topper with your heads. The best thing about this toy is that instead of simply finding a yellow head that resembles your mood, you can buy your own expressions for your toy. I don't know why I didn't realize this before, but Legos were the original emoji. Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.